Before you start watching this video, this is future me explaining this is just a nonsense video, and this is just a video I took and I want to mark out as part of my life. So for all you guys who are not really into nonsense, don't go watching this video. Go somewhere else. Bye. It's time to throw away the boxes. I'm throwing out this Rico GR box. Rico GR2. Okay. Smart controller. I was planning on keeping this, but nah. The Mini 2. Yeah. Bye. Oh yeah, one more thing. My lighting's not good, but don't worry about it. One more thing. Today's 23rd of June, and the thing is, we just heard from the news. We're on lockdown for the past few days, and yeah, I've just heard from the news that it's gonna be. Why is it? I heard today's. God. Yeah, I've heard in the news today that we're allowed 300 or more for weddings, so that's good for us wedding photographers and videographers. We can have more work coming in, and yeah, as we all know, if you haven't seen from my previous vlogs, we're on lockdown, season 4. Last week, I think this is the third, fourth week. I think it's the 4th week. So we've got everything like a bit under control now, but we shouldn't be overconfident. But yeah, we're easing our restrictions. A good thing. Sydney's been raising up the restrictions also because they're having a bit of an outbreak there with the Delta variant. Delta variant is very bad, but yeah, hopefully everything's gonna be fine. Anyway, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.